So this is called the Hawthorne effect, right? Any one of us have heard of this before? Yeah, Hawthorne effect. So this was an experiment that was done in the 1950s by 𝗛𝗃𝗵𝗿. And why it got its name? Because it was conducted in a factory called the Hawthorne Works, which was based in Chicago, right? So the premise is that human subjects will react to different degrees of brightness in the factory setting. So what 𝗛𝗃𝗵𝗿 did was he cranked up the light, right? He cranked up the brightness of the factory floor, and what happened? Productivity increased. And he was saying, I'm a genius, one shot, one kill, right? In research, we always have to test the now, right? So what happens is if I decrease the brightness of the room, if you were correct, then productivity should decrease. But did it decrease? No. And he was wondering, how come? What happened? So he went closer, and finally he discovered and he concluded that the only reason why the productivity went up was because the workers felt they were being singled out. Right? They were saying, Jeff, I have no idea what's happening, but there's this one person watching us. Let's go faster. So the fact that you are there, that the fact that people feel they are being observed, yeah, change their behavior. Do you sometimes think that your team members behave differently when you are around versus when you're not around? Food for thought. All right?